Find the roots of the polynomial x cube plus 2x minus 3 congruent to 0 mod 9. Here the given polynomial is our f of x, that is f of x is equal to x cube plus 2x minus 3, which is congruent to 0 mod 9. So we have to find x value. In that case you have to obtain a solution as, here m value is 9 here, therefore it contains 8 solution. We have to substitute x value as 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. up to 8, that is its solution lies in the set 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. up to 8. Or we can take, to obtain a simpler value, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the place of 5 we can substitute as minus 4, because 5 is congruent to minus 4 under mod 9. Because 5 is congruent to minus 4 mod 9, that implies 9 divides 5 minus of minus 4, minus to minus plus, hence we get 9 divides 9. Therefore in the place of 5 we can substitute as minus 4, in the place of 6 we can substitute as minus 3, because 6 is congruent to minus 3 under mod 9. Similarly 7 is congruent to minus 2 under mod 9, 8 is congruent to minus 1 under mod 9. So next step we have to substitute the values at x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. up to 8, or we can substitute as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1 and check the congruency. Here if you substitute x value is 0, here if you substitute x value 0 means 0 cube plus 2 into 0 minus 3, hence we get minus 3. Therefore obviously minus 3 does not congruent to 0 mod 9. This is because 9 does not divides minus 3. Here 9 divides minus 3 is nothing but minus 3 divided by 9. It does not satisfy, hence minus 3 is not congruent to 0 mod 9. In the similar way we have to substitute for x is equal to 1. If you substitute x value as 1 means 1 cube plus 2 into 1 minus 3. Therefore we get 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3 minus 3 is 0. Obviously 0 is congruent to 0 mod 9 satisfies, because 9 divides 0, which implies it is equal to 0. Therefore this congruency satisfies. Therefore x is equal to 1 is a root. If we substitute x is equal to 2 means, here we have 2 cube plus 2 into 2 minus 3. Here 2 cube is 8 plus 2 into 2 is 4. So we get 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. Obviously 9 is congruent to 0 mod 9 satisfies, because 9 divides 9. Therefore x is equal to 2 is one root for the polynomial. Similar way we have to find for x is equal to 3. That is, if we substitute x value as 3 means 3 cube plus 2 into 3 minus 3. That value becomes 30. So 30 is not congruent to 0 mod 9, because 9 does not divide 30. So x is equal to 3 is not a root. Similar way we have to find for 4. So if we substitute for 4, that is 4 cube plus 2 into 4 minus 3, we get a value as 69. So we know that 69 is not congruent to 0 mod 9, because 9 does not divide 69. Therefore x is equal to 4 is not a root. In the similar way we have to find for x is equal to 5, or in the place of 5 we can substitute as minus 4, because 5 is congruent to minus 4 mod 9. So if we can substitute as minus 4, so if we substitute x value as minus 4 means minus 4 whole cube plus 2 into minus 4 minus 3. So if we simplify this value, we get a value as minus 75. So we know that minus 75 does not congruent to 0 mod 9, because 9 does not divide 75. In the similar way we have to check for minus 3, or we have to substitute for 6. Here if we substitute as minus 3 means minus 3 whole cube plus 2 into minus 3 minus 3, we get a value as minus 36. Minus 36 is congruent to 0 mod 9, because 9 divides 36 satisfies. Obviously 9 divides minus 36 also satisfies. So x is equal to minus 3 is also and root. In the similar way we have to check for x is equal to 7, or we can check for x is equal to minus 2, because 7 is congruent to minus 2 mod 9. So we can check for minus 2. We are doing this procedure because we can easily substitute here. We can easily find 1, 2, 3, 4 values. We can replace in the place of 4 as minus 4. We can get a similar value to this value. So we can take this method to solve the roots. So if we substitute x is equal to minus 2 means this value becomes minus 15. So minus 15 is not congruent to 0 mod 9, because 9 does not divide minus 15. In the similar way we have to find for f of minus 1. That is, we have to substitute x is minus 1, that becomes minus 1 whole cube plus 2 into minus 1 minus 3. Here minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 itself, plus into minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 is minus 6. So minus 6 is not congruent to 0 mod 9, because 9 does not divide minus 6. So we have to stop here and check which congruency satisfies. Here if we substitute x is equal to 1, that is 0 is congruent to 0 mod 9, this congruency satisfies. Also if we substitute x value is 2 means we get a value as 9, which is congruent to 0 mod 9 satisfies. Also if we substitute x is equal to minus 3, minus 36 is congruent to 0 mod 9, this congruency also satisfies. Therefore we can conclude that x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 3 are the root of x cube plus 2x minus 3 under mod 9. Therefore we can conclude that method, x is congruent to 1 mod 9, x is congruent to 2 mod 9 and x is congruent to, here in the place of minus 3 we can substitute as 5. So x is congruent to 5 mod 9 are the solutions for the given polynomial congruence.